Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a pony in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
How's it going? Right, so mate, today, just going to take some plugs off. Yeah. But this one is going to be quite a nightmare to take off because I've done one of these before and the screws are rusted and it caused me problems. Yeah. So I'll do that until last, because just in case if it is, I don't want to be here like 10 minutes just to try and take one plug off. I thought, see if any of these are easy. I can feel the screws have gone bent again. Then it's probably on what's the part I probably leaned on it, and then it screws again, it bended and I don't realise it's got I could just snapped it now, I think. Yeah, just snapped it in the middle as I felt. But since the rubber's there, it's just probably with some screws, you see, because normally you have to have it in a certain size screws and screwdrivers for certain stuff. Yeah. So sometimes you get like that. Sometimes it's just as simple like that, or take the rigging off the fuse, take the fuse out, because I know it's a bit where you take the fuse off before you do everything else. So that leaves you a bit of the cable. It's just has to get a positive, flathead, but I could do that with pliers, because I've got pliers near me. Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, unfortunately it's gone, but it's not going to stop me, because it's really, it's somewhere that easy to repair or totally. I've got many more on them, and if it's not repairable, I can actually just get the number off the screwdriver to get a replacement, even if I have to pay for the replacement. That just come off already. The fuse is out. If I said that was big one, I meant not when it's small, big and still attached. No, on the off occasion, I do get people buying these plastic plugs off me. Yeah. Off occasion, people are on YouTube always say, "Oh, Mark, can you send me some of those plugs? Because then I can reuse them." Blah blah blah. I said, "Yeah, you can do, yeah." Off occasion, people say, "Can you send me like something like that? But keep the positive cable on, then I know what's what." And I said, "Can do, but I'll do a deal with them. Because I won't send it for now, because if they go and weigh it in, they're going to make the money for it, see." Some people say, "Oh yeah, they'll use it," but it won't. Some people, I know how they want plastic, melt it down, and make some art on it. Alright, we'll come out in a minute then. Squash that off. Yeah. Just when I bended that back, I bent it back too much and it snapped. Yeah, I thought it was going to do it. Yeah. No one seems to go definitely, why is that right? Don't know what I'm doing this for, why not just get another fucking screwdriver? Yeah. Sorry that you couldn't see much, guys. Yeah. Yeah, just so it's good for. There you go. Take that plug off. And that's coming off alright. Just need a bigger head. Yeah. Well, the screws are busted on these. These is out. Alright. Yeah. If anybody wants any of these now, can't have to say no. But if I get any more, I probably will see some. Yeah. But any of these big ones, any of these, I can say yeah. Get price, which is it, hold it. Yeah. Yeah, if you ever want some of these, some spare of these, you can let me know and I'll probably will come for like an agreement and stuff. Even if you want part of the cable, please let me know. Yeah. I like got some scales where I can take me weigh it. So if I say you want a kilo on it, I can say yeah, kilo. But you know it's going to take me a while. So let's take these off that one. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a simple screw, flat, yeah. Put it on, twist a little bit, see if it will come out, and it comes out. Yeah, but some of you have to undo it a lot, just to take them off. Yeah. But sometimes I do have to get pliers to say, hold it. Right, that was not one to come out, look. And then it comes out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that you didn't see much, but yeah. So I just thought, yeah. And I'm sorry about the, like I'm over here and you can't see what I'm doing. Like from that angle. Yeah. Just a simple but flat F screw drive in. Negative screwdriver in. Undo it, screw. This is a simple pull off. Yeah. Just in it, yeah. Yeah, if you ever want me to say any of them, can do. Yeah. I'll keep that one on like that just in case somebody does say, oh, can I have some of those bits? Yeah, can I have some of those bits? Can I have some of those bits? I won't cut it away, I could just say, yeah, the blue wire won't went into one side bits, the green one won't went into it bigger, and brown one went into the small one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because I could say you some of these. If you want some screws out of them, let me know. I'll sell you some screws. You know, I can sell you some there, there. Yeah, even if it's got that little funny bit. Yeah. Even though it's slightly like that. It's different toys. Other ones. Yeah. Yeah. Fuses, if you even if you like the good ones or bad ones. Yeah. The screws, what comes out on them. Yeah. The plastic bits, what comes out on them. And these. Let me know. And I can. Even if you make some out of these, like, you know, melting down a little bit, and make a little screw, like, you know, make it like stamps. Yeah. Yeah, can do. With a screwdriver. Yeah. Sometimes they come off so easy. Just that's how it's like inside. Plastic on one end, metal on the other. Just a simple, it will just bend like that, bend a bit like that. So I ended up trying to bend it back a little bit, and I went too hard. But even if I took that off, yeah, I can use it like that. And then if I don't want to undo, I just have to use it like that. Thank you guys for watching.